My child, imagine a world where you stand firm amidst the storm, your gaze unwavering, your emotions under your command. This is the path Thomas Shelby treads, a path of stoic strength that we're about to unveil. The art of controlling emotion isn't for the faint-hearted, it's for those who dare to seize control of their own destinies. So if you're prepared to elevate yourself above the chaos, ready to carve your own path to emotional supremacy, then welcome to a transformational journey that will leave you unbreakable and undaunted. In a world where emotions often run wild, we're here to cut through the noise and chaos. We are here to empower you with the raw, unfiltered wisdom of Thomas Shelby, a man who knows that emotions are like weapons, and it's up to us to wield them with precision. So if you're ready to stand tall in the face of turmoil, to become the master of your emotional destiny, then buckle up, because you're about to learn how to control your emotions like Thomas Shelby. Lesson 1. Embrace the calm amidst the storm. Picture Thomas Shelby in the midst of chaos. His demeanor remains unshaken, his gaze piercing through the turmoil. When emotions surge like a tempest, be the eye of the hurricane. Practice stillness in the face of turmoil and you'll harness the power to respond, not react. Lesson 2. Choose your battles wisely. Thomas Shelby doesn't waste energy on trivial conflicts. Prioritize your emotional investments. Preserve your energy for challenges that truly matter, and you will find yourself in a position of strength when it counts. Lesson 3. Master the art of concealment. Behind those calculating eyes lies a master of concealment. You needn't reveal every emotion to the world. Use your emotional cards strategically, and you will wield influence beyond measure. Lesson 4. Turn pain into power. Thomas Shelby channels his pain into unyielding power. So instead of being crippled by setbacks, channel them into fuel for your determination. Transform adversity into a force that propels you forward. Lesson 5. Adapt like a chameleon. Thomas Shelby adapts effortlessly to shifting circumstances. Emotions aren't static, they shift like the tides. Adaptability is key. Embrace change, adjust your emotional responses, and you will thrive in any situation. There you go. You have embarked on a journey into the realm of Tommy Shelby's mastery. Remember, this isn't about erasing emotions, it's about wielding them with the precision of a blade. In a world of chaos, become the master of your emotions and you will rise like a titan, unshakable and indomitable. Stay tuned for more raw, unfiltered wisdom that'll propel you to unparalleled heights. Until next time, embrace the power within and let the lessons of Thomas Shelby guide you to emotional sovereignty. Wake up.